If you're wondering whether ConseilOutfit AI is worth your time, you're in the right place, because I'm about to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about this brand new AI tool, and one of them might change the way you do e-commerce forever. Before we dive in, you can try ConseilOutfit AI completely free from the first link below. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this one instantly caught my attention. Stick around, because I'll share the biggest surprise I found while using it, and why it might be the next must-have in your tech stack. So, what is ConseilOutfit AI? It's an AI-powered fashion recommendation engine designed to help online stores, personal stylists, and fashion creators deliver smart, data-driven outfit suggestions to their users. Think of it as your 24/7 virtual stylist, but optimized for sales, personalization, and conversion. One of the first things I noticed is how fast ConseilOutfit AI integrates with most online stores. It supports major e-commerce platforms and instantly starts learning from your product catalog and customer data. Within minutes, you'll have smart outfit pairings and upsell opportunities right on your product pages without writing a single line of code. Now, here's what makes it stand out. ConseilOutfit AI doesn't just throw random products together. It uses machine learning to analyze customer behavior, fashion trends, and even visual aesthetics. It combines complementary colors, styles, and even seasonal relevance to generate outfit suggestions that actually make sense and convert better. For digital marketers, this is a goldmine. ConseilOutfit AI increases average order value by bundling intelligently. It gives your store that personal shopper experience that big retail brands spend millions developing. And because it's AI-powered, it keeps improving with time. The more customer data it sees, the better it gets at recommending outfits that drive clicks and purchases. Another thing I love, this isn't just a back-end tool. ConseilOutfit AI also works as a front-end engagement booster. You can add outfit suggestion widgets to landing pages, style guides, or email campaigns. That means higher engagement, longer session times, and lower bounce rates. For content creators and fashion influencers, this is also a secret weapon. You can train it on your aesthetic or brand tone and have it generate custom outfit suggestions for your audience. It's basically an AI stylist that learns your vibe and helps you scale personalized content fast. One quick heads up though, because this is a new software, the user interface might feel a little minimalist at first. But honestly, that's part of the appeal. It keeps you focused on results, not clutter. Plus, they're updating it aggressively, so expect rapid improvements over the next few weeks. And finally, if you're wondering about pricing, there's a generous free trial, and their paid plans are surprisingly reasonable for what this tool can do. If you're in fashion e-commerce or building a personal brand around style, ConseilOutfit AI is easily one of the best AI software launches this year. So if you're even a little curious, hit that first link below and try ConseilOutfit AI for free. And before you go, check the description. I've listed my top recommended AI tools after testing thousands of them across every category. You might just find your next favorite tool down there.